1960s Sylvania console with upgrades. Okay, I don't want a copyright strike for that one. It's the 8-track. USBs.
Play USB disc.
Praising my Savior all the day long. This is my story. This is my song. Praising my Savior all the day long. Praising my Savior. When the storm might
Bluetooth mode. Waiting to be connected.
SD.
Play hard disk.
Got to be careful about these copyrights.
Bluetooth mode. Waiting to be connected.
Back to the 8-tracks. Patsy Cline's greatest hits. Yeah, and all the yellow tabs are for my mom so that she can know how to play it. You just follow the yellow brick road. There's a number 1 there, a number 2 there, a number 3 there, and a number 4 there. Kind of like they used to do the AV equipment in school when I was a kid. Hank Williams. Yeah.
As I brushed your arm and walked so close to you.
So there it is, all restored, installed, in use after many, many years. 100% solid maple and veneers cabinet. Restored and ready to be enjoyed for another 50 years.